Hello there, this is FairBinaryOptions.com, sorry for that. And we're looking at the US dollar Japanese yen ahead of the US GDP to be released today. And I would say the currency pair is still on a bullish side. It is still on a bullish pattern, so I would like to buy call options. Now, the expiration date depends very much on the type of trader anyone is. It may go with end of day today, but I would choose expiration date 1 week, basically next Friday on the 6th of March would be the preferred expiration date. And I will explain a bit here why. This is the moment when the currency pair bounced from the bigger consolidation area, the triangle that I discussed on the text that comes with this video analysis. This triangle here that has been broken to the upside, A, B, C, D, E, and then the triangle broke to the upside. Now, after this triangle broke, if you go on the hourly chart and look at how the market evolved and so on and so forth, I would say that the only possibility here is that this here to be the first wave. Now, this is 119.22. As you can see, it has been pierced so many times, but turned out that resistance turned into support as well. I would say that this is only a first wave, and then a third wave is about to follow. Now, a third wave about to follow makes this whole consolidation area a second wave, a complex correction in my opinion that started from here and ended most likely in here. What kind of a complex correction we have here? Chances are this is being called a double 3, or it is being called a double combination. I would say that we have a flat as the first correction here, so this would be wave A, like this. In terms of Elliott waves, of course, this would be the B wave all the way to the upside. It is a strong B wave as it goes more than 161.8 when compared with the previous wave A, but nevertheless is a nice move for the pattern that this wave is doing. And then the C wave to the downside in the form of a terminal impulsive move. Now, this is a C wave to the downside, the form of or in the shape of a terminal impulsive move, and it means that this area here is going to be completely retraced. Now, I don't know if it's going to be retraced today, but what we do know is that this is where price needs to go. Now, if this is an ABC, how about the X wave? Well, an X wave or an accurate X wave should be somewhere around here, and then market formed a contracting triangle that broke high in my opinion the other day. This would be wave A, this would be the B wave, the C wave here, then the D wave to the upside, and of course the E wave to the downside. Like any triangle, it travels within or between the A and C and B and D trend lines. And we should just look for the B2D trend line to be broken. Well, the B2D trend line has been broken. It has been broken respecting all the rules that we should follow in a contracting triangle, and this makes the lows here made yesterday before the CPI or Consumer Price Index or inflation in the United States to be announced. This makes these lows the end of a possible second wave out of this degree. If this is the second wave, then definitely the third wave needs to come, but the third wave needs to be extended this time, so way over bigger of a bigger picture here. So judging by how this market is looking like here, I would say the chances are that the US GDP will prove out to be better than expected today, to exceed expectations. It is expected a downward revision for the US GDP from the 2.6% to something like 2%, but any surprise in this area may be possible. Anyways, call options are the name of the game. And as the expiration date, again, I would like to choose 1 week expiration date. There are a lot of brokers listed on the website here that are offering 1 week expiration date and not only end of day. So for next Friday, 1 week expiration date for call options on the US dollar and the Japanese yen pair. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. We look with some bullish eyes on US dollar Japanese yen. Thank you and bye bye.